everyone, and welcome back to another Cube video. Today's video, I'm gonna showing you guys an unboxing of a Tombow dual brush pen in Pastel Palette 10 pack. I brought this in Lazada cause I can find it in the different bookstore here in the Philippines. The price was about 1,479.75 pesos, or should we say 1,480 pesos. But without further ado, let's get started. Now let's cut the main wrap and let's see what's inside of it. Furthermore, I am glad to the seller of this item because I received it in a well package. It really seems that the person really packed it well. Now that it is open, let's see each of the items available in my order. The first thing we got on our hands is a paper. But what is this paper? Let's see. I guess it's a receipt. Yes, it is a receipt of this Tombow dual brush pen I brought. The seller includes it in a package, and good job done. The next item is the Tombow paper bag, and it's so cute. Another thing is this AV roll case, which is very perfect for keeping the brush pens. I really love it. But the most important thing is this. Ta-da! My own Tombow dual brush pen in a pastel palette. It is very secure because the seller kept it in a bubble wrap. Another star for you. Thanks, and I appreciate this. Hehe, sorry for playing the bubble wrap. I always do that. These are all the items we got. But for now, let's get into a real thing of having the pens get out of the case. I'm starting to open it up and open. It's so gorgeous, I could say. And what should I say? I love these pens. I really love these pens. And just now, I fell in love with it. Pastel are so pleasant in my eyes, so can't help it. So lovely. So, what's with these pens? 2 tips, a high quality flexible nylon fiber brush, and a fine molded tip. Let's try this one and see the dual tips it is saying. So, this is the first tip, which is the flexible nylon fiber brush. And the other side is, let's open the cup. It's a fine bullet tip. Next is, it is resilient nylon brush, retains its point stroke after stroke. We will try this one later if it really retains after the stroke. Water-based ink blends colors easily. Colorless blender pen softens and blends color. And acid-free, non-toxic, odorless. And the last one about the pen is the tips clean after blending. That's great. And these are the available colors for this palette. Now, we're going to make a palette of our own for this brush pen. I will be using my sketch pad for this. Nothing. I just wanted. Oh, before I forgot, my best friend Pro gave this to me. She really knows what I like. And thanks, bro. Let's put a title first for this personalized palette of ours. I will be putting the Tombow dual brush pens at the upper part of the paper. And next below it is the palette type of the Tombow dual brush pen we have been unboxing and we will try out right now. Next, let's have a dash lines creating small rectangles for each brush pen's colors. I prepare a dash lines instead of having a complete or lined rectangles. But well, what I can say is, do what you want. is it. Let's all try the brush pen on our palette that we created. The pen is so smooth and very great when at hand. It goes where you want it. It is not just a regular brush pen, but with all due respect, it is truly flexible. I will use the other side of the pen to create a line under each box using the bullet tip of the brush pen, so that we can try how the other side goes. Even we are just trying its colors, I am enjoying its flexible characteristic as a brush pen. More than that, if you will look at it, the colors are truly pleasing to the eye, having a real pastel bunch of colors. Oops, sorry for the time that my hand is covering the other part of the paper. I just can't avoid it. As you can see, I am a left-handed. Maybe soon, I will add up another camera on the side of me for the footage that was a blind spot when my left hand is on its way. Putting numbers as for the reference of each color is what I am doing. Frankly, I do not know the exact name of each color, so it must be better. That serves as the code for that color. So, thank you so much for joining me here in this video on Tombows. I really enjoyed this. I'd have to say that from all of this, my favorite color is... Oh, because you see, it's all pretty and cute as colors, of course. And please don't forget to like, comment your favorite color too, share and subscribe, as well as hit the bell button to be notified for my next video. And hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!
Thank you.